Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I just received my very first subscription box, which is Boxycharm. I've been wanting to try some kind of subscription box for quite some time, but there are so many different kind of subscription boxes available. I was not sure where to start, but I have heard really cool things about Boxycharm. This is just $25 and you get around $180 worth full-size product in this. You can cancel this anytime. So basically you take a quiz when you're signing up for this box where you answer a question, what kind of products are you interested in? Are you more into makeup, skincare, hair care? And I don't use makeup that much, I'm more into skincare. So basically you cannot choose a product, but you can let them know what kind of products or stuff you are into. And I have not opened this yet and I have no idea what's inside. Let's hope it's a good skincare box. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. I have not even opened it yet. So first we have this postcard that has all the information about all the products, you know, their name and description and prices. Okay, so very first huge product that I can see inside is this Glam Glow Youth Mud Mask. My skin is very sensitive. I don't know if it's for all skin types or just for oily skin, but this retail for $60. So I got this box for $25 and this is $60, so it's already worth it. I cannot wait to try this. So this is the first product and definitely skincare and a very good brand. But I have never used this mask. I have used their mask which is more toward sensitive and dry skin. But I cannot wait to try this one. Second product is this Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Cream. And this retail also for $63. So it's already like $120. And not only I have never used this, but I have never heard of this brand. We'll see. Next in box is this, let me read it from here. This is Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Sticks. To be honest, I have never heard of this brand either. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, okay. So basically it says this is a creamy base multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or primer. Can also be used on bottom lash lines, waterline, brow bone, or lips. Okay, the perfect duo can be used together or separately. So I have something similar, which is I think from Hourglass eyeshadow stick. This one looks kind of matte and this is shimmery kind. Name of this one is Hip Hop and this is called Jazz. Okay, so next in line is this. Again, I have never heard of this brand, but this is Mena Kadar Hydrating Face Mist. And I don't think this is like a setting spray or something, maybe just to refresh your skin. And in this box we have Best Friend Forever. So basically it's a brush set. It's really soft and the color is so pretty. I don't know what's inside this other bag. So it says brush set, so I was assuming there are going to be like multiple brushes inside, but there's just one brush, but then we have a blush, which is a pretty color. And sixth and final product is this Dr. Brand Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, which I received as a free gift when you're signing up for Boxycharm. There was like 3 different options and you can choose one free gift. And of course I went with the skincare. So these are the 6 products that I have received in my Boxycharm. And I have never used any of these before. So I'm looking forward to and excited to use them. Let me know if you guys have ever used any of these before and your thoughts about them. Also, if you guys have tried any kind of subscription box and if you have any recommendation. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.